Now I would like to call Vishesh. Put your hands together with Vishesh.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to give thanks to Mr. Ravi, sir, who has given me this opportunity to speak something here. So, thank you so much, sir. Hi, guys. My name is Vishesh. I put up at Bolepur in Fatehgarh and I am 13 years of my age. I am studying class 7 from Soni Parienter College. Now I would like to say something about my family. There are 7 members in my family, including me. I have my parents, grandparents, and 2 siblings. They are my brothers. My father name is Mr. Gautam Singh Verma. He is an advocate in District Court, Farkhabad. And my mother name is Mrs. Rajni Verma. She is a homemaker. And my both brothers are elder to me. One is studying in class 12th and one is studying in BSc final year. Now I would like to say something about my qualification. I have just completed my 6th. Now I am studying in class 7th from Soni Parienter College. Now I want to share my hobbies. My hobbies are reading books and interacting with new peoples. Now I want to share my strengths and weaknesses. As we all know that nobody is perfect in this world, so I have also some weaknesses. My weaknesses are I can't say no when someone asks me for help, and I trust on people very quickly. Now I want to share my strengths. My strengths are I am self-motivated and I am disciplined person, and I have positive attitude toward the things. Now I want to share my goals. I want to share my goals in short and long term goal. My short term goal is to complete my education and my long term goal is to become a judge. So it was all about me. Thanks for listening me. Now I want to share some motivational quotes. First, some people says that this is impossible, but nothing is impossible because the word itself say I am possible.
Very good, very good.
The key to success is to focus on your goals, not on your obstacles. And hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. And if you can't do great things, do small things in great way.
Very good, very good. This is also mentioned on your ID card. Okay, if you can't do great things, so do small things in a great way. Very good.
Now I would like to say something on my father. My father name is Mr. Gautam Singh Verma. He is 47 years old and he is an advocate in District Court, Fatehgarh. And he is very polite and punctual of time. He completed his inter and 10th from GIC College, Fatehgarh, and he completed his BSc from RP Degree College, and he completed his MSc from DVS College, Kanpur, and he completed his law from DAV Law College, Kanpur. And after facing so many problems in his life, he has become an advocate, and I have learned a lot from my father, and he tries to fulfill our needs on time, and I love my dad, he loves me too, so that is all.
Okay.
Thanks for listening me.
Okay, Vishesh. Have you started speaking English?
Yes, I have started speaking English.
Where are you studying?
I am studying in Soni Parienter College.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
When do you play cricket?
Whenever I get chance, I play cricket.
Who do you play cricket with?
My friends play cricket with me.
Who all are your friends?
My friends are Harkesh, Shantanu, and Ansh, and Anchal, and Arpit also.
Okay, Arpit also. Okay. Who is your enemy?
Nobody is my enemy.
Nobody is your enemy. बोलिए इसको तो मतलब मुंह पे बॉल मारनी है आज, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
No, sir.
Enemy मतलब ऐसे दिखा देना, मतलब कि आज तो मुंह फोड़ देना है इसका. Okay. So do you watch match?
Yes, I watch match.
What cricketer do you like the most?
I like the most Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Don't you like MS Dhoni?
Sir, I like him little bit.
Why?
Because he is retired now from cricket, but he only plays IPL matches.
IPL matches. That is why you don't like MS Dhoni.
Yes, sir.
You like Virat Kohli.
Yes, sir.
What actor do you like the most?
I like the most Kartik Aaryan.
Kartik Aaryan. Okay. Who is in Pyar Ka Panchnama?
Yes, sir.
Problem. Who just spoke a dialogue of problem. Problem. Can you speak this dialogue?
No, sir, I can't.
Can you speak any dialogue of Karthik Aaryan?
Sir, I don't know because I have watched only some movie of.
Karthik Aaryan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what teacher do you like the most?
I like the most Ravi, sir,
Why?
because he teaches very well and he is very polite and punctual. He doesn't scold and beats us.
इसी का तुम लोग सब लोग फायदा उठाते हो हैं। मार तो पड़ेगी नहीं, ठीक है, बस इसका ही फायदा उठाओ, हैं? ओके। Do you take undue advantage of Ravi sir's leniency?
No, sir, I don't take undue advantage
Do
of.
you do your homework on time?
Yes, I do my homework on time.
Okay. How do you come to institute?
I come to institute on my foot.
When did you join England Institute?
I joined England Institute in December
Okay.
2020.
Who told you about England Institute?
Nobody told me about England Institute. I came to know about England Institute by hoardings.
Okay. And how many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
What is your worst day?
I don't know.
What is your worst day in your life? Worst means सबसे बेकार. Worst.
Sir, nothing.
What is your best day?
Uh,
What is your memorable day?
is my birthday?
Is your
I
birthday?
think. Yes, sir.
Okay. And who do you celebrate birthday with?
I celebrate birthday with my family and relatives, also with my
Where
friends.
do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday at my home.
Okay. Do you demand gifts
I
from your family
demand.
members, from your father?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to ride the bicycle?
Yes, I know how to ride the bicycle.
Okay. When do you ride the bicycle?
Whenever I get chance, I ride the
Do you go
bicycle.
to your school by bicycle?
No, sir, I don't go to school by bicycle.
How do you go to your school?
I go to school on foot.
Okay. And who do you go to school with?
My cousin sister goes to school with me.
Okay. And can you please tell me about your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What festival do you like the most?
I like the most Deepavali
Why?
because it is
It is a festival of light.
Lights
everywhere
and-
we see lights, new lights.
yes, sir.
Do you like Chinese light?
No, sir, I don't like.
Okay. Do you crack the crackers?
Yes, I crack the
Do you
crackers.
sing the song?
Yes, I sing the song.
Can you sing a song?
No, sir, I can't.
Why? Can you dance?
No, sir, I can't.
Do you want to dance?
No, I don't want to dance.
Will you dance? Will you dance in party?
Yes, sir, I will dance in party.
Do you want to consume liquor?
I don't want to consume liquor.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a judge
Why do you want to be a judge?
because it is my father's dream. That's why.
Okay. Where do you do shopping?
I do shopping from Vishal Mega Mart.
When do you go to Vishal Mega Mart?
I go to Vishal Mega Mart on Deepavali and Holi, like festivals.
How do you go to Vishal Mega Mart?
I go to Vishal Mega Mart by my father's bike.
Bike. Do you have a bike?
Yes.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Can you drive the car?
I can't drive the car.
Do you want to drive the car?
Yes, I want to drive
Do
the
you want to
car.
ride the bicycle?
Yes, I want to
Do
ride
you
the
want to ride
bike.
the bike?
Yes, I want to ride the bike.
Okay. And what do you want to be?
I want to be a judge
Why do you want to be a judge?
because it is my father's
What is the
dream.
work of judge?
Judge also tries to do his best judgment and that's in the favor of public.
Okay. And this is a tough job, you know.
Yes, sir.
Giving a judgment is a tough job.
Yes,
If
sir.
you give wrong judgment, okay, this is a very tough job. And what about your qualification? Which class are you studying?
I'm studying in 7th class.
7th class. Okay. After completing 7th class, what will you do?
I will take admission in 8th class.
8th class. When will you take admission in 8th class?
When I completed my
Then I will complete.
when I will complete my 7th,
Okay. After completing 12th, what will you do?
I will take admission in law.
Law college. Where will you take admission? In Kanpur, in Farkabad only?
I think in Kanpur.
In Kanpur. From where your father completed LLB?
He completed his LLB from Kanpur, DAV College, Law.
DAV College. Okay. So, speak something about England Institute.
England Institute is the best institute in Farkawad district. If any student who doesn't know how to speak English, they can join our academy, and
What is the benefit of England Institute?
you can learn English because English is very
Benefit, because one benefit, best benefit of England Institute is they
life,
provide lifetime membership.
lifetime membership.
What is the meaning of membership card?
You can you can attend class whenever you want, and
You can do revision.
you can do revision.
Guys, clap for him. अब next आप किसको बुलाना चाहते हैं? काट कर दिया इनका? ऐसे से नहीं, तुम फ्री हो, तुम
Now I would like to call Shaur. Put your hands together for Shaur.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to give gratitude to Mr. Ravi sir who has called me on this podium. So thank you so much, sir. I want to say something about myself. My name is Shaur. I put up at Bolepur in Fatehgarh. I have just completed 5th class and I am studying in 6th class from Helen Memorial School. Let me tell you something about my family. I belong to a joint family of 6 members. I am my parents and my grandparents and my siblings. My father's name is Adit Sharma. He is a serviceman. My mother's name is Neelam Sharma. She is a good homemaker. My grandfather's name is Ramashri Sharma. He is a doctor. And my grandmother's name is Shakuntala Sharma. She is a doctor. And I have 2 siblings. They both are elder to me. My both siblings are studying. I want to share my life goal. My first life goal is I complete my education, and my second goal is become a successful person behind organization. My ethic is never neglect any opportunity.
very good, very good.
I want to share my strength and weaknesses. My strength is I am self-motivated and I am punctual. As we all know, nobody is perfect in this world. So I also have some weaknesses. My weaknesses are I am emotional and I am kind. I can't say no when someone asks for help.
Very good, very good.
My hobbies are traveling and reading books. This is all about my introduction. Thank you for listening me.
Okay. So, sorry, can you speak English?
I can speak English.
Do you want to speak English?
I wanna speak English.
Where do you reside?
I reside at Bolepur in Fatehgarh.
Where are you studying right now?
I study right now Highland Memorial School.
Okay. Have you got cough?
I have got cough.
Okay. Do you want to take rest?
Yes, I don't wanna take rest.
Do you want to speak more?
Yes, sir.
Can you speak? Are you comfortable?
I comfortable.
Or I am comfortable?
I'm comfortable.
Okay. How do you come to institute?
I come to institute on foot.
Okay. Very good. And what about your father? What is he doing?
My father's name is Adit Prabhakar Sharma. He is a serviceman.
Okay. Speak something about your parents.
My parents is very
Parents are very polite.
and my parents has given me all facilities.
They give you all facilities. Speak something about England Institute.
England Institute is a very good institute for learning English.
Okay.
Ravi sir is the founder of England Institute. He is a brilliant teacher.
Okay. In which class are you studying?
I am studying in 6th class.
Okay. Where? Helen Memorial.
Yes, sir.
How do you go to your school?
I go to school. I go to school.
कैसे जाते हो?
Taxi.
By taxi.
By taxi.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday on 16 June.
16 June.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And where do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate birthday on my home. In my home.
At my home.
My home.
Okay. And do you speak English with your sisters?
Yes, sir. I speak English with my sister.
Okay. And what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What do you wanna be?
I wanna be a businessman.
Businessman.
Yes, sir.
Why do you wanna be a businessman?
Because businessman is very good.
Very rich person.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
Where do you belong to?
I belong to a
I
Farukhabad.
belong to.
I belong to Farukhabad.
Do you watch television?
I watch television.
What serial do you watch?
I don't watch serial.
What do you watch in television?
I watch cartoons.
Cartoons. What is your favorite channel?
My favorite channel is Sony A.
Sony A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is
Akshay Kumar.
no, sir.
हाँ.
Sir.
Johnny Lever. हाँ. Rajnikant.
No, sir.
What is your favorite actor?
My favorite. I don't like actor. I
Don't like actor.
Yes, sir.
What is your favorite actress?
I don't like
Katrina
actors.
Kaif.
No, sir. I don't like actors.
What do you like? Comedian.
Yes, sir.
What comedian do you like? Kapil Sharma.
No, sir.
Please don't laugh. Do you watch Kapil Sharma show?
No, sir.
You don't watch. Do you watch mobile? Do you play mobile games?
Yes, sir.
What game do you like most in mobile?
I like most game in Minecraft.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is a game.
Yes, sir.
What is your favorite movie?
My
Favorite movie is? कोई बात नहीं. तुम बोलो नहीं अच्छा. इनके लिए guys clap कर दो भाई. Next कौन आना चाहता है? इनको close कर दो. इनको stop करो.
I would like to call Navneet.
So guys please clap for
Okay,
Navneet. Start.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm glad to see you.
It's my pleasure.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I'm fine too. How is life?
It's fantastic and your life?
He's fantastic too. My name is Sumit Kumar Rajput. I belong at Bollywood, Fatehgarh. I am 13 years old.
Okay.
My school name is Swami Parinta College. He is studying Local Road in Fatehgarh. और my favorite subject is Hindi.
Very good. Very good.
Let's tell you about my family. There are 5 members in my family, including me.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो. बोलते रहो. My father name is.
My father name is Mr. Jitenga. He is a serviceman. And my mother name is Mrs. Sima Rajput. He is a good housewife.
Very good. Very good. Yes. अपनी वो बताओ hobbies.
My hobbies are reading books and making new friends.
New friends.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. अपनी weakness strength बताओ अच्छा.
My strengths are I am positive, hard worker and self-motivated.
Very good. Very good. What is your name?
My name is Kumar Rajput.
Do you wanna speak English?
Yes, I want to speak English.
Navneet, where do you reside?
I reside at Bollywood, Fatehgarh.
In which class are you studying?
I study in class 7th.
7th.
Yes,
Where
sir.
are you studying?
I
I am studying.
am studying Swami Parinta College.
Okay. So can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Very good. Clap for Navneet, guys. Hello, I wanna call.
I wanna call IKS. Let's clap for IKS.